All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's word of the day. Downpour. Yeah, it's like rain. Look at this. Rain. Rain. Yeah, there we are. Yeah, rain. Heavy. Heavy rainfall. A lot of rain. A lot of rain. Yeah. How cool is that? So we saw a big downpour last night. He was in the shop when there was a downpour. Yeah. How cool is that? She was with me during the downpour. Very good. It was a heavy downpour, unlike anything seen in a long time. Yeah, unlike anything seen in a long time. He, she, it, they were stuck in the office during the downpour. I was at home when there was a downpour, because I have always worked from home. Always worked from home. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Very good. There will be a downpour tonight. I think it will be a downpour. So I am looking at the weather, and there might be some more downpours today. Maybe. I doubt there will be a downpour on the weekend. Yeah, on the weekend or over the weekend. I doubt there'll be a downpour over the weekend. Depends. Yeah. We had a big downpour last night. I was quite surprised to know that there was a big downpour last night. Wow, a lot of rain. Yeah. It is downpouring now. Yeah. So I have been outside during some downpours, and there were some roads that were flooded. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. She predicts that there will be a downpour soon. How does she know that there will be a downpour? How does she know? Because the weather looks fine. It looks okay. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, can you use downpour in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. You can also find me by searching for Adrian Nanchev on Udemy. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.